Are you considering operating in the honey value chain? Here is why you will never run out of business. Pure honey is produced by honeybees that feed only on organically grown flowers. Popularly, it has been used as an alternative to sugar by diabetes and lactose intolerant individuals. Similarly, the liquid is used particularly by professional singers to soothe sore throat. Honey is also used in the cosmetic industry for its skin and hair nourishment properties. In the same vein, it can be applied on patients with fire burns and injuries. The beverage industry is not left out. It also uses honey as both sweetener and preservative. Honey can be sold in its raw or pasteurized form to supermarkets and grocery stores. It can also be packaged and marketed in schools, hospitals, public places, offices, and even online through digital marketing. Starting a honey business does not require huge capital investment. However, to survive in the industry, you must ensure that your honey is pure and of high quality. Accordingly, your honey must be sourced from genuine producers or trusted middlemen. This will prevent the adulterations that is prevalent in the industry. Raw honey can have a water in honey content less than 14%, and the lower the water content, the higher the perceived value of the honey. Finally, you need to acquire some knowledge and skill in the bee business. Did we miss out any striking point? Please share with us in the comments below.